Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting water supply and relieving pressure. This prevents sprays while you work. Once done, open the lowest drain and both taps to empty residual water. Make sure you have the right parts. Washers and O-rings wear out most often, plus an adjustable wrench, screwdriver, and basin wrench for tight spaces. Place a bucket and towels under the sink and mark handle positions with tape or photos so reassembly returns the tap to its original orientation. Next, remove the handle and escutcheon to expose the cartridge or stem. You want to see what's inside before forcing anything. Once exposed, inspect the cartridge, seats, springs, and O-rings for corrosion, cracks, or flattening. These cause drips and inconsistent hot/cold mixing. Make sure to clean mineral buildup using vinegar-soaked cloths and a soft brush, and replace any damaged parts with exact matches. Mismatched components lead to leaks or poor temperature. Put everything back carefully. Lubricate O-rings with plumber's grease, seat the cartridge straight, and tighten fasteners to the manufacturer's spec. Over-tightening damages seals. Once reassembled, turn the main water on slowly and observe for leaks, listening for hiss or drips and verifying both hot and cold flow balance. If you still see leaking or uneven temperature, make sure the cartridge is aligned and inlet supply lines aren't blocked. If issues persist, swap the cartridge or consult a parts diagram as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.